Hello guys, my name is Ridhima Verma. Welcome back to my channel Ridhima Learning Classes. Today I am unboxing our 6th class books. Let's start. This is our name chip and these are a roller cover of books and copies. This is a scale. These are a pen, black and blue. Let's unboxing our books. Honeysuckle. This is our English book, 6th class. Ruchira Pratham Bhagya. This is our Sanskrit book, KV School, KV number 1, Kendriya Vidalaya. A Pact with the Sun. This is our English 2nd book. Bal Ram Katha. This is our Hindi book. Vasant Bhag 1. This is our Hindi 2nd book. The Earth Our Habitat. Social Science. This is a textbook of geography. Social Science, Social and Political Life 1 textbook. This is Social Science. This is Social Science. Mathematics. This is our mathematics book. This is a science. Social Science, our parts 1, textbook of history. This is our history book. This is our book, A4 size books लगेगी. Page number 1, total pages 192. And 5 extra books. टोटल 10 नोटबुक्स हमको लगेंगी 6th क्लास में, 5 एक्स्ट्रा और 5 हमको ऐसे ही. आवर बुक्स टोटल 10 बुक्स. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. Please like, subscribe and share.